Blue, it's your birthday, man. So listen, so your grandmother has set you up I'm not gonna tell you it's a surprise, but she has all of your cousins over there. You ready to go celebrate? Huh? You ready to go? All right, cool, let's go.
We're proud parents today. Proud doggy parents.
How's everybody doing today? Today, Jamila and I are taking Blue to his grandmother's house because today is his alleged birthday. Now, when we first got Blue, it was middle of March, but the person who I bought Blue from said he was already about 3 months old. So Mom tries to estimate how old Blue is when he was born. But for some reason or another, she wants to celebrate his birthday today. We're headed over there now, but my mom has cooked Blue some peanut butter treats and hopefully Blue's gonna like it. So listen, when I first got Blue, Jamila and I had just started dating, and I had asked Jamila, I said, now look, I'm about to get this dog, are you okay with that?
He was like, should I get him?
Yeah, and
I should have said no.
But she didn't. But I felt like it was like good practice to get Blue, because I was like, you know what? One day, if it's God's will, we're gonna probably have some kids. And I felt like Blue's like the perfect opportunity to practice having children. Taking care of some responsibilities, having to get home, so you let the dog out so you don't go to the bathroom in the house. Blue, have we done a good job? Are we good doggy parents? Yeah? You better be on your best behavior, all right? I don't want you fighting with none of your cousins today. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Blue, do you hear me? All right, let's do it.
Come here.
Blue, so what your grandmother did,
Sit down.
she made you a treat.
Sit down.
Look at Blue.
Happy birthday to Blue. You belong in the asylum. Sit down. In the asylum.
Blue just so happy. He's so excited.
Sit. Touch it, I'll break your nose. Yay!
Sit.
Put it on the floor, Marcel.
Let me see. This is a little cake.
Look, Fonzie got her pieces. She gonna eat the paper. Look at Fonzie and Marcel. She got it.
She let him take this over here.
Lisa, they're taking out the paper.
Okay, I'll
Here's
take it.
mine. Pie. Here's your piece.
Okay. Here somebody can have a piece of bacon.
Look, Blue just said, I don't want
Look at the same thing. Look.
So these two got kicked out
Out of this whole party.
because they tried to jump Fonzie.
This is Blue's cupcakes. To make these cupcakes, you need an egg, honey, teaspoon of vanilla, wheat flour, shredded carrots, and peanut butter. And you get these delicious treats, right, Blue? See?
Have you said thank you to your grandmother? Have you said thank you? And we're back at the house. Blue's birthday party was
A success.
a success. He had his cousins and everyone over. Mom did a good job on the treats. She gave Blue a to-go bag.
Yep.
And in his to-go bag, he has
trash bags.
Trash bags for whenever I decide to pick up Blue's poop.
Oh,
after
look at his
myself.
little goodie bag.
There's a goodie bag. Look at this place.
Look like, give me all that. Give me my
But we're about to go ahead and head to La Parrilla because at the party there were no human food. So we're about to go ahead and enjoy one of our favorite spots at La Parrilla.
La Parrilla.
You ready?
Yeah. Let's go.